You can customize your homepage by using favorites. The Favorites feature provides a convenient and fast way to find and use your favorite content without having to search for it. From the homepage, favorites appear in the Favorites view. From the Legacy homepage, favorites appear in the Resources tree. Favorites can be reports, graphs, hyperlinks, reporting objects, and other item types. You can add items to your favorites from any domain or folder if you have permission to do so. To designate an item as a favorite, right-click the item and click Add to Favorites. To remove an item as a favorite, right-click the item and click Remove Favorite. You can interact with favorite items once they are saved. If you right-click an item, you can view and edit its properties. You can also select from additional options, such as Run or Schedule, depending on the file type. Items did not have to be saved as favorites to be viewed on mobile devices using a browser. However, in order to access your content from the Mobile Faves app, you must tag your items as faves in all caps. To add a tag to your content item, from the Homepage Explorer area, right-click an item that you want to assign to a tag, and then click Properties. In the Properties panel, click the Advanced tab. In the Tags field, type the name of your tag and then click Save. Items tagged as faves are localized and display as mobile faves in the language of the user. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.